Snow is falling in the mountain regions of California, but before you head to higher elevations this winter, you'll want to make sure your vehicle is packed with those winter weather road essentials, starting with your traction control devices such as snow chains. Chain control requirements are common throughout the winter when ice and snow often make for challenging driving conditions. Traction control devices are a must for every vehicle, even if you have snow tires and four-wheel drive.
First and foremost, it's required by law. So anytime an individual is going to be traveling up into the Sierra Mountain Range or any of the mountain ranges where snow is a possibility, and either Caltrans or the Highway Patrol determines that traction control devices will be needed, it's required by law that every vehicle that travels in that area carries them. If they don't, we are going to turn them around and send them back into the town where they could potentially purchase a pair.
Along with your traction control devices, there are other winter essential items you should consider bringing. These include water and snacks, blankets, phone chargers, flashlight, extra batteries, jumper cables, a first aid kit, and kitty litter or sand should you get stuck and need traction for your tires. You should also carry extra medication just in case and keep your gas tank full. You're also going to want one of these. This is a combination snow scraper, snow duster. If snow has accumulated on top of your vehicle, you need to remove it before you drive. A soft layer of new snow may be hiding layers of ice underneath, which can be hazardous to drivers. Removing it will help provide a safer driving experience to the cars around you and can help you avoid a ticket.
If there is a load on top of the vehicle, we will stop you and potentially issue a citation for that, and then still make you take the snow off the top.
One final winter road essential can be found on your phone. Download the Caltrans Quick Map app to your Android or iOS device today to get the most up-to-date information on traffic, road closures, and chain control restrictions on the California State Highway system. You can even see where our snowplows are currently operating. To find out more, visit quickmap.dot.ca.gov. With those essential items packed, you're ready to hit the road this winter. For this Caltrans News Flash, I'm Christopher Andriessen.